Is your laptop battery dropping super fast even when you're barely using it? Yeah, that usually means background apps or power settings are draining energy. In this guide, I'll show you simple step-by-step fixes to make your battery last much longer. First, check which apps are using the most battery. Open Settings, go to System, then Power and Battery, and look at battery usage. Now, close apps running in the background. Many apps keep working even when you're not using them. Turn on Battery Saver mode to reduce background activity and improve battery life instantly. The display uses the most power. Lowering brightness even slightly can significantly extend battery time. Too many startup programs drain battery from the moment your laptop turns on. Disable unnecessary startup apps. Switch your power mode to best power efficiency instead of performance mode. Outdated drivers or system bugs can cause battery drain. Check Windows Update and install available updates. If you don't need them, turn off keyboard backlight, Bluetooth, or unused Wi-Fi connections to save extra power. If your battery still drains fast, check battery health using a battery report. Open the generated report to see battery condition, and that's it. After these steps, your laptop battery should last noticeably longer. Try these settings today and you'll probably see the difference right away.